Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. Kit Row, Odisha's government order probe into death of Nepal girl, evacuations of student. Police hand over body of third year B.Tech student to her father after postmortem. Incident triggers statewide outcry, uproar in assembly as MLA demand arrest of KIIT founder and disciplinary action against the Institute for Assault on Foreign Student. KIIT asked to facilitate return of students take out a candlelight march in protest over the death of a student from Nepal at the Kalinga Institute of Industry Technology campus in Bhubaneswar on Tuesday. Satya Sundar Barik, Bhubaneswar. After a day after more than 500 students from Nepal were forced to leave the campus of Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology KIIT in Bhubaneswar and dropped at the Kattak railway station following protest over the death of a student. The Odisha government on Tuesday instituted a three-members committee to ascertain the circumstances leading to the death, the alleged high-handedness of a university authority and closing of the institution Sindai for a specific group of students. The government has directed the private university to deploy officials to trace the evacuated student, provide counseling to those traumatized, and facilitate their return. Tension had erupted on the campus of KIT, a deemed to be university following the death by alleged suicide of Prakriti Lamsal, 20, a third year B.Tech computer science student from the neighboring country, in her hostel room, leading to protest on the campus on Monday. The university authority dropped the student from Nepal at the railway station 30 km from the institute. In notice is issued by the KIT had read the university is closed since die for all the international students from Nepal. Lost our child. Odisha police meanwhile handed over the body to her father Sunil Lamsal after postmortem at AIMS Bhubaneswar. We have lost our child, but the same should not happen to other parents, Mr. Lamsal said. Police have registered two cases, one in connection with the girl's suicide following a complaint by her cousin, and another by the police on the content of the social media video where security personnel and staff of the private university were seen abusing and beating a student who protested over the incident. Bhubaneswar Deputy Commissioner of Police Pinak Mishra said the incident triggered statewide outrage, with the issue being raised in the assembly during the ongoing budget session. House members cutting across party lines demanded the arrest of the KIIT founder Achyuta Samanta and disciplinary action against the Institute for Assault on Foreign Student. Officials suspended State Higher Education Minister Surya Bansi Suraj said the university has for the government and the same of the official were placed under the suspension for their high-handedness. We are concerned over the circumstances under which the institute declared close for student from Nepal Sindai, and why this decision specially targeted students from Nepal. Why were they dropped off at Kattak railway station? This issue is not limited to the private university alone, as the incidents occurred outside the campus and also involve a foreign country. Why was the higher education department not consulted, he said, adding that by 4 p.m. on Tuesday, report confirmed that the 100 students from Nepal had returned to campus while 800 others remain scattered in Odisha and outside the state, with the some en route to Nepal by bus. KIIT authorities have been directed to counsel the traumatized student and facilitate their return to resume their academic pursuit. They have also been instructed to provide hourly updates on the situation, Mr. Suraj said. The minister warned that the university cannot adopt a vengeful approach towards students who participate in the agitation. Several students on conditions of anonymity said many of those evacuated from the campus had to board journal coaches as most of them did not have train tickets throughout the journey. The students from Nepal narrating the ordeal on phone to their Indian counterparts here. The Nepal government said that it may stop issuing no objection certificate to students who wish to study in Institute of Odisha if the situation is not resolved in a justifiable and legal way. Nepal Ministry of Education, Science and Technology in a statement issued on Tuesday appeals to the people concerned, including the guardians and students of the university, for observing patience, and it has formed a help desk to facilitate effective resolutions of the problem arising from the incident. The ministry is continuously making diplomatic effort through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to ensure a conducive environment for resuming the studies of Nepali students, the statement read. With input from PTI, those in distress may contact Sanjeevani Society for Mental Health Society Prevention Helpline 011 4076 9002. This is contact number. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in next video. Jai Hind.